Many studies have shown that adverse childhood experiences have been linked to a variety of conditions that can develop in adults. This ranges from mental illness such as depression to physical health such as heart disease. The Adverse Childhood Experience Test, also known as the ACE test, is a test which guides the individual to understanding if they have a higher risk for later health problems. The ACE test is a questionnaire that assesses the amount of stress and trauma a person may have experienced as a child. The test questions are designed to cover a wide range of negative experiences, such as emotional, physical, sexual abuse, neglect, and household dysfunction. It can help people understand their childhood experiences and how they might affect their health and well-being. Even if a person has not been subjected to severe abuse or neglect, the accumulation of minor stresses can have a significant impact on their health. The test has a total of 10 questions. Examples of questions from the test are: did you often feel that you didn't have enough to eat, had to wear dirty clothes, or had no one to protect you? Did you live with anyone who was a problem drinker or alcoholic, or who used street drugs? Once you have answered all the questions, add up your yes answers to get your ACE score. Your ACE score can range between 0 and 10, with higher scores indicating a greater likelihood of negative outcomes later in life. To find our ACE test worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.